Hey, what's up guys? We are back and we are gonna get rolling on our shop car. So I've had this thing, you've probably seen me complaining about it. It's been sitting up front. Came in here for a brake upgrade and it stopped working. Now I understand how customers feel when stuff breaks down at a shop. We're gonna give her a shot and try to get this thing on the road. I ordered a new Holley Sniper 2, updated the fuel system already. We got the Sniper to do, and hopefully we can get this thing running this week and go make cars and coffee. Stay tuned, check this one out. I hope you guys enjoy our updated on the Holley 2. We'll find something to go there.
You can walk away and everybody's like, oh, I know whose car this is.
Well, it's actually, I'm gonna have a buddy of mine paint the emblems on the doors. So anywhere it goes, you take it to Publix, it'll be like Detroit Monster. And I think that's, yeah, I got you, bro. I'm twice. Maybe.
How the f did it even get in there?
It's got stuck.
Okay, so now, oh, I gotta get this one off.
The stuff that they have down the way, it kind of sucks.
It says heat air, the orange one.
That's kind of bizarre because it's got vintage air and it's all hooked up.
I doubt it because the vintage air comes with its own.
Yeah, I don't know.
That's probably why it didn't get used.
We can always shave it.
This.
Yeah, we're not cutting anything. That's your deal.
I'm just unwiring stuff.
Cause Joe, you wired this thing, right? The body harness originally? I think you did. I want to say you did. You with it.
This wire here is you would hook to a relay to turn your air on.
Well, we don't need it. They can just stay in loom. Once it gets re-loomed again, once everything's finished again, we'll be all right.
Yeah, but if that's plugged into the factory harness, then yeah, it's not something we added in.
I know we didn't do it. It's all factory.
Yeah.
He's uninstalling everything properly, right from the connections, not cutting, etc. Because we don't want extra wires and ghetto shit going on here.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do something different.
What?
We're gonna have to do something different with that port right there.
Is it fitting or is it?
The wires and everything fit in that port right there.
Well, that can all come off.
Are they sitting all the way down in the back?
want to say all that vacuum source stuff comes off the unit itself anyways.
Well, there's a port on the back.
I'm pretty sure.
There we go.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody and stained.
All the linkage and everything works just fine?
Yeah.
I like that.
Even where I got it.
You never know. I mean, that bracket's like a universal for, we use them for like other snipers, and then I want to say we use the same one for like 5-tech units.
Go in there, hit the gas pedal, tell me what you think.
From the people who deceive me.
So you think the air cleaner will work with gauge on there?
Well, we'll just have to get a straight one.
Bloody ends break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody and stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy ends break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep.
At the moment I am running my power wires for main power and ground, and I am also running my fuel pump wire. All three of these will go under the dash, out the firewall on the passenger side. These two will go to the battery, and then this one will go to the back for the fuel pump.
Shouldn't have messed with it.
Should have woke the beast.
Yeah, because poke the bear. It was fine. Well, right now it's just them wiring in the system, but the issue was the car just, no matter where we timed it at, it wouldn't run right. It want to stall out. You try to drive it, it just spit and sputtered. Couldn't get out of its own way. No matter what we did to it, we couldn't get it to run any better. New distributor, new plugs, new wires, new fuel pump. And so it come down to the fuel system. And so that's what he replaced. Hopefully this fixes it.
When they scheme, better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives. You create thoughts. Never waste time. You got one shot. You got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5. No mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way. What I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody and stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy ends break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. I don't ever slow always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds.
This is main power to the EFI. Now I'm tying it in main fuse, the rest of the body to power from, and this goes directly to the battery.
I'm not giving up, no I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up
chicken.
and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Sniper is Sniper 2. You want to do 4 cylinders?
Yeah, sounds good. Can you times that by 2?
Maybe. We'll try 3.
This fancy touchscreen stuff.
They're too. His fingers don't seem to work well.
Boom. Try this again. Still doing it? You don't even have fat fingers or nothing.
No, I don't. Is that the fuel pump?
I think so. I mean, the fuel pump did work before, so it's either it's gonna start, it's gonna shoot fire.
I gotta do a couple more things.
So the install was fairly good for you.
The sniper units itself is fine. It's just this thing's so low to the ground.
Try to get underneath everything.
Yeah, trying to
And
get under everything. I'm basically on the ground trying to wire stuff.
so literally we have one that's on the ground and the one next to it's ginormous. So you don't get any average size vehicles.
No, never.
Then we have children that are supposed to be play bar in the car, but they're not. Bro, that's also got spray wax.
No, I cleaned it out.
Get the work, scrub. We're gonna walk you around what we've done to this thing so far, trying to update you. So the Holley Sniper 2 is installed. It runs great. I love it. That's great news. I can kind of show you what we've done so far on the car. This is supposedly a 383. Sounds pretty healthy when it runs. We've already put aftermarket vintage air in it, so we are a vintage air dealer. If you guys ever need vintage air, holler at us. We put a CVF pulley kit on the front of it. This is, of course, it has for their compressor, alternator, but we do not have power steering. Future consideration deal in there. Since it's been here at the shop, we've actually taken everything apart. We've had aftermarket intake. I've had it powder coated, valve covers powder coated, ceramic coated headers. We have done a Willwood brake upgrade. So Willwood master cylinder, just like looks like an 8-inch booster. I think that's what we got originally. Along with when we did all that, we upgraded the front. Kind of hard to get down here, but you can see it's a drilled inside rotor with a red Willwood caliper. So that is what we've done so far. We did get the chance to make cars and coffee. I didn't get any content for that. That's my own fault. It turned out awesome. We have some new stuff coming for it since we've actually got a few miles on it and etc. We sprung an air leak. That sucks. Life of air ride. So we got to get that fixed. And then I have Ride Tech. They sent me some rear trailing arms along with their upper wishbone deal for this. So we're gonna put that on there sometime this week. Fix our air leak. Hopefully we can make another Cars and Coffee this weekend at the Motor Enclave. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one.